And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz silver level choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start preparation movement. Then we dance hesitation change, which consists of first 3 steps of natural turn, then hesitation itself. We continue with Whisk, which we finish in promenade position, of course. And from here we dance Weave from promenade position, 2 bars. We end Weave also in promenade position and continue with Wing, finished in Wing position. Man dances on left side of lady into progressive Chasse to right. And then Underturned, outside spin. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. This time we will focus on directions of movement. So we start with preparation movement. And we dance hesitation change. We start diagonally to wall. Then down line of dance, second bar. We continue with the Whisk, diagonally to wall in new line of dance. Then Weave from promenade position, diagonally to center. And we finish in promenade position and continue diagonally to center with Wing. In same direction we move with progressive Chasse to right. And then outside spin, we move diagonally to wall and we finish backing diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.